Our business correspondent, Carlton Dallas, has joined us once again on the Daily News for an update on cryptocurrency. Hey, Carlton.
Hi there.
Good to have you with us.
Well, thank you for having me.
So, you know, when I saw your notes, I'm thinking cryptocurrency. I really don't even know what it is. So you want to share with our viewers, what is cryptocurrency?
It is, yes, it's a fascinating technology, digital technology. It's about 15 to 17 years old. It's built on the blockchain format of digital connectivity. And there has been layered on that a financial system, a whole financial exchange globally. And there are some interesting developments that have taken place.
Now, you were saying that people are getting perhaps duped. They go on social media and they start investing, and then they find out that that particular company doesn't even exist. So it could be potentially dangerous, right?
It certainly can be. And what we are suggesting is that just understand what has happened with, let's take Bitcoin, which is one of the more popular ones. As of November 2021, Bitcoin was $65,000 to $1 US. Oh, wow. It is now 28,000. So it's lost more than 50%. Oh. And part of what happens is that Bitcoin had a finite number of Bitcoins that were issued. Okay. And 19% of those have vanished. Oh. Stolen, or people have run off with them. Oh my gosh. So the money supply has been compressed, which forces the price up. Right. So that's part of the volatility. It's pushed hard on social media. All right. It really is.
And now cryptocurrency, how does that affect like the world monetary market?
It is a significant variable that can undermine the international monetary system that's been in effect since right after World War II, called the Bretton Woods agreements, because it could be outside. And it is so easily used by nefarious characters, particularly in the global monetary system. It's just easy to avoid taxes. It goes around a lot of the different constraints that are placed on our monetary system. Right. And it avoids not only taxes, but there's so many requirements that if you're outside of the U.S., you have to comply with. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies can get around that. Now, the other thing that's very interesting is, for example, there's a company called Quadriga, where the owner vanished with more than $100 million in Bitcoin. And so people have put all this cash in, life savings, and then all of a sudden that person is gone.
So are you saying that we shouldn't invest in cryptocurrency, or if we want to, how do we do it safely?
The way to do it safely is to actually go through an established broker. Okay. There are wonderful cryptocurrency options. One of the ones that I'm familiar with is called Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is sort of like the New York Stock Exchange. It actually manages the trades. So it's not a company that you're investing in and saying, I'm seeing whether it's going to, go up or down so much as whether the Bitcoin goes up or down. As long as there's trading, Ethereum is a much more rateable investment. You're much more secure. So it's much better to go do that and definitely not go on social media. Definitely not go on social media. And one thing for parents I really want to stress is that Bitcoin on social media is so easy, Robyn. Okay. It's $2,000 or less. You can set up an account with someone you never met before, and then all of a sudden they could vanish. And so that happens quite often. When I was living in South Africa, there were 3 brothers there that actually vanished with $400 million. I
mean, like, when you say vanished, you mean they like moved to another country or something?
Wherever they moved, as they used to say on the wrestling, which I used to like, moved to parts unknown.
Like that. Oh gosh, lots of good advice. So any final bits of information you want to share in our last 30 seconds?
Yes, I just want to say that it is one of those evolving, developing currencies or new things that certainly can have tremendous value in terms of fluidity, but please be careful.
Please be careful.
Please be careful.
Good advice, good information, as always.
Thank you.
Carlton Dallas, our business correspondent, and we'll be right back with the Daily News.